Many residential communities maximize the lot, but Trava did something different. Around 45% of the community is dedicated to open spaces. Trava is the flagship project inside the master plan of Greenfield City, Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. So we have a residential project like Pramano Residential Park and Solen Residences. But this one, it is considered flagship because the lot cut starts at 550 square meter. And for just 59,000, you can plan your retirement for the next 48 months. Total contract price for this lot is 28.6 million pesos and you can spot it at 10% for 2.7 million pesos. And the remaining 10% will be payable up to 48 months equally divided ng 59,000 per month. And the remaining 80% balance, which is 22 million, if you have a budget after 48 months, you can pay it in spot cash or you can loan it through bank financing. So if you want to retire here at Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna, just send us a message.